This is the, where did we buy this from? DiscountRamps.com, wasn't it?
I believe so. It's a Harbor Mate ramp.
Yeah, it's a Harbor Mate ramp, 7 foot 5 inch. And it's just a loading unloading ramp. I touched about this in a walkthrough video. We have a loading ladder. It's from Harbor Mate. There was a lot of reviews online about how hard they were to hook up, because a lot of times they said you have to relocate this trailer pin for tie down. A lot of people that have these just moor their boats up and they don't really trailer them, but we are spoiled and we wanted to trailer ours and have one, so we bit the bullet. We bought one, and so when I hooked it up, I just moved it back using the factory holes. I just moved it back, bolted it with Sun Tracker 22 DLX. You do not need to move this if you just scoot this back. The only downside to this is when you extend it, it's 7.5 foot. So when you extend it, you lose about 10 inches right here. And then it gives you a little bit of a step here, but it's not a problem for us. A lot of times we use it whenever we can't get to the shoreline, if we have to get off a boat for any reason, and we just sit it back a little bit, extend it out. You can extend this from the front door of the boat if you just lay down and reach under the boat and pull it out. It pulls out really nice and it retracts really nice. Moving up, anyway, if anybody's thinking about buying one of them, highly recommend it. They are awesome. But all you really have to do is, trolling motor's on a quick disconnect. It's got a 60-inch shaft on it. For a pontoon boat, ideally 60 is probably going to be what you want to get. You can probably maybe get away with 45-inch shaft length, but I think my brother has that on his boat. It doesn't work good. It works the motor a little bit harder because it's not as deep in the water.
And if you're in lakes like this with a lot of traffic, it tends to come up out of the water when you're going over waves.
And I'm being lazy right now. This is about the only part that's a pain in the butt to do. And I can do it without doing this, but for the sake of the video, I'll just do it. Slide the trolling motor out of the way. And if your boat don't have a trolling motor, you don't have to worry about this. But if you do, you literally just lay down. Let me see the camera. Bear with me, guys. If you see underneath here, it has this T-handle that hooks. You just reach under the boat, unhook it, and pull the ramp out. That's all it is. And you just throw this back in place. And the ramp is extremely light. One-handed, you can do is pull this in and out. It's on like a neoprene style bushings, so it slides in and out real easy.
And you don't have to do it from on the boat. If you can get close enough to the edge, you can just pull it off.
Where we boat at, there's really nowhere to get close to the edge. Some places you can, but most places you can't.
Yeah, right now we're on a very shallow, rocky bottom.
It makes it real easy that you can get it from the boat and slide it out. Makes it really handy.